Hey, what is going on? Happy Christmas Eve. Hopefully everybody has a fantastic and safe holiday. Here's your tip on Tuesday. This is for kind of new riders and intermediate. Heck, it's for any kind of rider that's out there. I think it's kind of overlooked a lot of times from a lot of riders. And this will keep you from panicking sometimes, because it has helped me on many occasions. And that's the reason that I have them is, yeah, what am I talking about? My keys. And when I'm talking about my keys, what am I meaning? I'm meaning this wristband. This wristband attaches to my keys, and there's all different types that are out there. You can get the kind that are actually the stretchy, you know, the coils and all that stuff. They don't cost much. You can get those pretty much anywhere. You can pick them up at a Walmart, you can pick them up at a gas station, just about anywhere. And it basically allows you to put your keys right there on your wrist so that you're never fumbling for your keys. Sometimes you put them in your pocket, or sometimes you think you put them in your pocket, and you're walking around camp or something like that, and you realize that you have missed your pocket and your key is laying on the ground. And with them being dark colored, stuff like that, sometimes they're hard to find. So this is coming from a tip that has actually helped me on many times, and I think it may help you too. And if you don't use this right here, what do you use to make sure that you secure your keys so that you don't lose them on your trip? But anyway, think about maybe picking up a wristband keychain, and I'm telling you, I think it will help you out one day, because you'll never be looking for those keys. You guys have a fantastic Christmas, and 690 out.